Today in this video we will discuss lesson chemical reaction and equation, and today's topic chemical equation. I explain chemical equation with an example. We know magnesium burning air or oxygen gives us magnesium oxide. That means magnesium burning air or oxygen gives us magnesium oxide, a white substance. This is not a chemical equation, this is word chemical equation, word form. Now we convert word equation to chemical equation by the use of symbol of the substances. The molecular symbol of magnesium is Mg, because magnesium is a monoatomic molecule, so symbol of magnesium molecule is Mg, plus oxygen. The formula of oxygen, it is an elementary molecule. The formula of oxygen molecule we know O2. Magnesium react with oxygen to form a compound, white substance, white compound, magnesium oxide. The formula of magnesium oxide we know MgO. So we represent a chemical reaction with the symbol of the substances, that means reactant and products, with their physical state. We mention their physical state. Means here magnesium, we know magnesium is solid metal, so magnesium is solid, we write S for solid. Oxygen is a gaseous substance, so we write G for gas. And when magnesium oxide is a solid white substance, it is a solid substance, so we write S for solid. This is an unbalanced equation. Here Mg is equal to 1, here 1, here oxygen equal to 2, here oxygen equal to 1. This is unbalanced equation. This unbalanced equation is called skeletal equation. This unbalanced equation called skeletal chemical equation. This unbalanced equation is called skeletal chemical equation. So the definition of chemical equation is the representation of chemical reaction by means of symbols of substances a symbol of substances, that means reactants and products, in the form of formulae. In the form of formula with mention of with mention of physical state is called chemical equation. It's called chemical equation. The representation of chemical reaction by means of symbols of substances, that means reactants and products involved in the reaction, in the form of formulae with mention of physical state is called chemical equation. Here physical state means now solid. If the physical state is a solid substance, we write S. For liquid, for liquid substance we write L. For gaseous substance, gas, we write G. For aqueous solution, we write AQ. Aqueous means it is a solution in which solvent is a water. That means a water solution. Aqueous means it is a solution in which solvent is water. Water solution is called aqueous. Now take another example. We know sodium react with chlorine to form sodium chloride salt. Sodium chloride salt. This is word equation, not a chemical equation. This is word equation. We convert word equation to chemical equation. You know symbol of sodium molecule, or formula of sodium molecule. Sodium is a metal and monoatomic metal. So sodium, the formula of sodium is Na plus. Chlorine is elementary molecule. The formula of chlorine, we know Cl2. Form sodium chloride, a crystal solid substance. Sodium chloride, the formula of sodium chloride, we know NaCl. Alright, physical state of sodium, sodium is a solid metal. The physical state of sodium S. Chlorine is a gas, the physical is G, and sodium chloride is a solid substance, so it is a physical state is S for solid. This is unbalanced equation. This unbalanced equation is called skeletal chemical equation. Similarly, zinc react with hydrochloric acid react with hydrochloric acid to form water soluble zinc chloride salt. And hydrogen gas. This is word equation. We convert chemical equation. Zinc, you know the formula of zinc, Zn. Hydrochloric acid, the formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. In this case we used aqueous solution of hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride, a water soluble salt, zinc chloride. The formula of zinc chloride is ZnCl2 plus hydrogen H2. Alright, physical state, we know zinc a solid metal, so zinc is a solid. HCl, normally we know that acid is added in the water, and in this case we used aqueous solution of HCl acid. That means it is a water solution of HCl, so it is aqueous. The acid is added in the water. Zinc chloride, what is zinc chloride? Is a water soluble salt, so zinc chloride is soluble in water, so we get aqueous solution of zinc chloride, so it is a from studies aqueous. Hydrogen is gas, the state of hydrogen is G. So this unbalanced chemical equation. This unbalanced chemical equation is called skeletal chemical equation. So skeletal chemical equation, skeletal chemical equation is a representation of a chemical reaction using chemical formulae. Chemical formulae of reactants and products. And reactant and products, and it is unbalanced. So this is also a skeletal equation because this is an unbalanced chemical equation.